Hey guys, so today we're doing a quick mod with this wonderful Ford truck that's coming behind me. It's a F350 that's in 2018, and we're going to do some left kits and new tires and smoke lights. Let's see how it turns out. Hey guys, as you can see me, this is the Ford 350, and one of my mechanics just wanted to have some fun with me. This is how we do it in Tommy Pike Customs. Anyway, so I took the liberty of looking up some of the facts on this guy. The towing capacity is about 12,000 to 18,000 pounds, my bad. Gross vehicle weight is about 10,000 to 14,000 pounds. Fuel capacity is 34 to 48 gallons of gas. I almost said oil. We'll talk to one of the mechanics because the mechanics is joking around in front of me. So, yeah. So what is this right here for the
bolts?
There. Wow. Anyway, I'm assuming this is part of the lift kit.
Yes.
So
that's part of the suspension.
It's part of the suspension.
Which is the lift kit.
Now Mike is just playing with me.
Warning label.
Warning label. Always important. Must read. Do you read the warning labels?
Wow.
Just in case you don't die. No.
I'm American. I don't read.
That's right. We're American. We don't read. I feel like that's so wrong, but okay. So they're gonna put this on here. I believe Travis is up there installing the smoke lights. Not really sure what the smoke. Oh wait, it just occurred to me what smoke lights are. Smoke lights are for light.
Smoke.
I don't think so, but. They're for fog, right? For in the fog?
Yeah.
Okay, smoke lights. Yeah, okay. Are you kidding with me?
No, it's just for look.
Oh, it's just for look. So it's just for look. Okay. I thought they actually had a specific feature to it, but apparently not. You don't always have to look efficient and pretty at the same time, apparently, with cars.
Just give a little bit of aesthetics, little cool factor to it.
Alright, we don't need the box anymore, so he's getting rid of it. So these are the parts. The lift kit or suspension lift, whatever it is.
Spring spacers.
I know, so
Bump stops. Shock extenders.
Shock extenders.
Bump stops.
Box stops.
This is for the whatever the dang arm's called.
How come not in one piece?
That's all you need.
That's all you need, okay.
This is just a leveling kit, so it might raise up an inch, maybe two, depending on whatever the rake is.
So it will raise it up by an inch. Okay.
Just level it out.
Is there anything else that we're doing to this vehicle? Tires.
Yes, wheels and tires, yes.
Alright, we're gonna go looking for the... Oh, nope. 3, 2, we're looking for the tires. I assume these are, yep, this is it. These are the new tires. Really grippy, aren't they? Alright. Let's leave our mechanics to work and then we'll get back with them for the final product. So I just wanted to show you some detailing on this new tire. It has some kind of like reptilian scaling pattern, and it has this claw look to it, you know, all around. It says down here that it's mud grappler?
Yeah, mud grappler.
So
Nuno has a couple. They got their trail grapplers, their ridge grapplers, and their mud. The trail is kind of be more your all-terrain type tire. Ridge is like rock crawlers and mud, which are these. And you'll see on mud tires the tread are really beefy and thicker, and that's so that it can catch all that water and use that as traction.
Nice.
Well, water and mud. You know what I mean?
Well, we assume he's doing something very muddy with his car. Well guys, they finished it. It's right here, it's out, it looks beautiful, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So here it is. As you can see, we got some beautiful new tires on here. The lift kit is huge. I know they said about 1 inch, but it looks like it is huge underneath. Like I can fit a whole person underneath here. Like seriously. Get up here to show I'm not sure you can see it, but those are the new smoke lights on here. Very beautiful. It was red at first, now they got a little smoky black light on here. Very cool. On up there. And yeah, that's it for our quick mod. Well guys, that was the Ford 350 truck quick mod. I hope you liked it. I certainly love the quick mods. I love the smoke tail light, smoke light, and the lift that's on there, and the new wheels. It is absolutely beautiful. Like and subscribe if you love it. And if you don't like it, please comment down below if you wish something else was done to it. Well, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.